What's up, ladies and germs? I'm the PE guy, and this is the plank series. Today's planks is for beginners. If you're really struggling with your abs, can't do sit-ups, and maybe you want to get a six-pack, then try this workout. We are doing 10 seconds of 6 sets. If that's too hard, then do maybe 4 or 5 sets. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's get ready. 10 seconds, here we go. I'm doing straight arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, child's pose for a little bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second set, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. That's set number 2. Let's keep going. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice work. We're on set number 3. Got my mask here just in case somebody walks in and catches us and we need to put our mask back on. Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work. It's number 3. Got 3 more. We're halfway. Do your best to keep your back straight and your legs straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So try not to get that saggy bottom or that mountaintop where you're getting your hips too high or you're going too low. So we need to make sure that they're straight because that's the only way you're gonna get them tighter. The only way you're gonna get them stronger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's number 4. And I like to imagine my belly button being pulled to my spine. That helps me. Alright, number 5, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome sauce, awesome sauce. We're doing it. Last one. If this was too easy, then you need to up your game. Pick another plank video to do. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Way to go. You just completed beginner plank exercise. Great work. Keep doing this every day and you're gonna get stronger. Peace.